In order for bees to obtain honey, they must wander through the honeydew plant flowers and tree secretions. In order for a bee to obtain 1 kilogram of honey, it must collect the sap of more than 5 million plants. While continuing their lives, bees are found in a group in a hive. For the continuity of their lineage, they live in groups and act in cooperation. Worker bees, queen bees and drones live in a hive. The average lifespan of honey bees is 1.5 months. Male bees live for 6 months and queen bees live 2 to 7 years depending on the species. A worker bee can produce 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its average lifetime. A honey bee can fly at an average speed of 24 kilometers per hour. While honey bees can distinguish the color blue, they perceive red and dark gray colors as black. This is why the color of the hives used by many beekeepers is blue. To fill a honeycomb in the hive, they absorb the essence of more than 100 million flowers. While performing this process, they flap their wings for 90 to 100,000 kilometers. The eye structures of bees are also composed of a simple and combined eye system. They have 2 compound and 3 simple eyes. Compound eye, it consists of 3,000 simple cells in a queen, 4,000 in a worker bee, and more than 8,000 in a drone. A honey bee is capable of processing almost the same processing power as a computer, with little energy.